Good morning from a very, very sweaty Lambi Beach. We just walked from the hotel. It's about a 20-minute walk, but it's now just gone 11 o'clock and it's already roasting. There is a nice breeze, but that's not really making it any cooler. So Lambi Beach is all the way down there, and the road turns around at this point where this nice hotel is, Vico, I think it's called. So we're going to have a walk along here, find some nice sunbeds. I think a lot of them are completely free, as long as you buy some food and drink, so I'll probably be doing that. I just noticed there's a cruise ship coming in over there, you can see that. So it could be busier in town if that stays overnight, we'll see. Sure, this sign's made to look like free beer, but it says free sunbeds, beer €5. If you ever do decide to come to Kos, be very, very careful with these cycle tracks, because some people go down them at an immensely dangerous speed. You've got to have your wits about you. You've got to have eyes in the back of your head anyway. As you can see, there's a lot of options for sunbeds, depending on the comfort that you want. You just stay near the entire day, or just stay in for a couple of hours. Choice is yours. That one there's quiet for a reason, I would have thought. I think that's how they speak though. I think they say you look like they're in an argument, but they're just having a chat. I think we're going to go here. It's called Alibaba Beach. That's what it looks like. Hello. Good, thank you. How are you?
Good, excellent, thank you. Two?
Yes, please. So this is going to be our base camp. Just noticed one thing straight away. Cigarette. Right, so I thought we'd go for a stroll along Lambi Beach while we're here. It's very calm, not so windy on this side of the island. But, the beach is absolutely scorching hot, so I'm staying by the water for now. It's a very nice beach, although it's quite busy, but still nice nevertheless. All of these sunbeds have like a waiter service. You can get food and drink brought to your table and just pay for it when you're done. Sunbeds are comfortable. A couple of cabanas up here, and over in the distance you can see Kos town, the harbour area, a few hotels and whatnot. Kos town will be in a separate video later on in the series. So I hope you're enjoying them. I'm not sure which order this is coming in, but we'll see. Let me know if you've been to Kos, or if you're planning on coming here. If you've got any questions or comments, just let me know down below. It's always nice to see them. Got a lifeguard up here by the looks of it. Just pretty calm, but there's a few stones as you first walk into the sea. I can manage it without the shoes on, but some people might find it a bit uncomfortable. It's quite a sandy beach in general, as you can see. Cruise ship over there, Blue Sapphire. I checked earlier, it came in from Rhodes earlier on. A few things you can rent for sports activities, or just getting dragged around and dumped into the water. On the back of a speedboat, you can see one coming in there. You wouldn't get me on one of them, I tell you. I don't know what the prices are like for these rides. There might be a price list somewhere, I don't know. Not for me. I know some people probably enjoy them, but I don't think I would. I walked along the beach in Rhodes. I'll put a link to the video in the top corner there. And I tripped over one of these ropes that hold the boats. I nearly went flying, but I managed to keep upright just. So that's Lambi Beach. Just a little look along. Not walk the full distance, but you get the general idea. Large Netherlands visitors here. A lot of them on the bicycles. It's like Amsterdam by the beach in some ways. Right, we'll head back the other way now. But I won't film this part because you've already seen it. And this is just a view from over the road where the main bar and food area is that bring across to the beach where you're sitting. A couple of hours sitting at Lambi Beach at the Alibaba beach and bar restaurant. We decided to do a bit of exploring. If you like cats, hit that QR code and give them a donation. Just over the road there is where you saw the shot earlier, where the toilets are upstairs. Alibaba Beach, very nice it was too. Apart from the Turkish couple who chain smoking next to us, but there you go, can't have everything. This one's Nissi Beach right next door, that looks nice as well. Very comfy looking sunbeds, but Alibaba was very nice as well, so got no complaints. Quick look at the menu. I actually came here another day and actually preferred it to Alibaba, to be quite honest. It was really nice, comfortable, great service. It's good. This place off the road called Old River, we were in there the other night. We just popped in for a drink, and the staff in there, they're really, really funny. There's a Dutch couple on the table next to us, and he said, "Oh, these Dutch people are going to pay for your drinks." And he asked me where I was from, and he said, "Yorkshire." And I said, "Yes." And he said, "Oh, I knew I could smell the Yorkshire puddings." It was quite funny. Sounds like party time in this place, 2 in the afternoon. Sorry, 3 in the afternoon. Bit rowdy for us oldies. No shortage of places to choose from for food and drink, there's loads. That's where we're heading now for something to eat. No, thank you, we're good.
It's very good, my friend.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a bit out of date. That was weeks ago. This is your Dutch little bit here. Tarzan Strand. Very Dutch. Well, not the Tarzan bit, but the Strand bit. And a bit above.
Hello, paparazzi.
Hello.
Paparazzi, yes.
Tarzan.
You must be
The
Tarzan.
original, not the fake.
Where is Jane? Jane.
The jungle.
Ah, okay. She's resting, eh?
Where from?
UK.
Where?
Middlesbrough.
Middlesbrough.
Yeah.
I've been in Bournemouth and London.
Well,
Tonight you have rock and pop music if you want to come.
Rock and pop.
Yeah,
Okay.
big boy singing English anyway.
Okay.
On Thursday is another guy from Birmingham.
Okay.
Okay.
On
is all
Thursday,
the-
not tonight, Thursday is going to be.
All right. Okay. I'll put this on my
The
video.
sunbeds is free down here. You don't have to pay for the sunbeds. Food is really good if you want to eat.
Thank you very much. We're here for another 10 days, so.
Friday night, Greek night. People dancing, throw plates here.
Okay.
Really nice.
All right.
You know, da-da. Sit back.
Thank you, Tarzan. We'll see you next time. Thank you.
I made this draw.
Nick the Fisherman Beach. That's not every day you meet Tarzan, is it?
No.
So just along here, we're going to go to a place called Jackson's, which is supposed to be very nice. So you can get through to the beach and all these little alleyways. The lovely flowers there. See, Jackson's is just here. Here's a place called Unique, which is also supposed to be very nice. But just so many places, not enough time. See inside there, a little boutique shop.
نخاف من هذا يقفل عرفت؟
Şimdi yok çizik var.
This is Jackson's. All the old motorbikes, and film memorabilia. The paparazzi. Paparazzi. Well, we went to Jackson's and it was like a flaming discotheque. Boom, boom, boom. So we decided not to go there. We're going to look in the Sunburnt Arms instead, we think. Oh, they do some proper British stuff here. Pucker pie, fish and chips, chili con carne. I'm surprised they don't do roast beef and mint sauce. Sorry, roast lamb and mint sauce. British food on holidays, this is the place to come. If you're craving your British food on holidays, this is the place to come. Bean as well. You get a Sunday roast. If you fancy a Sunday roast, you can get one here. English cuisine, loads of it. But I'm in Greece, so I want to eat Greek food, but there's British stuff if you're missing it. All the usual suspects. Cures, house wines. Nice little spot. It's our view. Straight out to the beach. See if you can spot your team shirt in there. I've spotted mine. There's a Middlesbrough shirt hiding there. See that? Sunburnt Arms for lunch. Mrs. Teessider Traveller's gone for the jacket potato and some salad. And I've gone full on Greek salad. It's a good sized portion that. Yamas. Very nice place. It is. Some octopus getting dried out there. Yum, not. Well, thanks for watching to the end, guys. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that reminder bell for the future videos coming up. There's quite a few more from Kos coming up over the next few weeks. So, cheers for now.
Hello, paparazzi. Second time, man.
Hello, Tarzan.